So Terry, we're on the way, and you've got everything. It sounds like
everything. We've got the ATV, we've got the Slim Jims, we've got soda. I think you've got your coffee, right?
I got my coffee, my Gatorade, the water.
Gatorade.
Mm-hmm.
What we need to do is we need to go back, so we're going to get on this road right here that cuts across. Right.
Of course, the lake's right there. You can see it.
To here, and we took this road, didn't we? Aren't we on this road? No.
No, we took the first. We didn't take this one. We took this one. Okay, so we are. Yeah, because see, there's the pen.
Yep.
Oops. Down the south side of the road, out into the four-way intersection. All right. Yes. Well, see, when it's ODark 30, I can't. Nope, that's just.
Well, we've just reached the site. We believe back in 1916, this was a sawmill for the Maine Last Block Company, and they made maple blocks for shoe last. This boiler was probably part of the sawmill.
All right, so I'm here with my my cousin, Tony/Brian Harper, and Herb Crosby, and we're on a site today. We're on a Lombard part scavenging mission. We've acquired permission from the landowner, who we graciously thank. That would be Irving Woodlands, for allowing us to gather up these parts. And what we're specifically after today are parts, the remains of a 1916 Lombard lag bed tractor. And what makes this machine interesting is the engine itself was actually designed and made by Lombard in Waterville, Maine. Behind me you can see a boiler. There used to be two boilers here actually. This was a sawmill that the Maine Last Block Company had. They would cut last blocks for the shoe industry, which is very prolific here in Maine. They apparently, we know nothing of them other than in 1916 they bought this particular Lombard. They were based out of Harvey Siding. In 1917 they had a fire that destroyed their stock of lasts that were getting ready to be shipped, and we heard nothing else about the company after that. So we're off on an adventure today.
The Lombard gas engine.
This looks like it was one of the side, this is one of the side pieces. And then you have the bearing block and stuff down here for the track system.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's what those are. Threw in.
Wow.
That's a sled part.
Yeah. Some differential case, the guide for the tracks.
That's a guide to the track.
Yes.
Nice.
This Lombard just rested right here, it looks like.
Yeah. Donkeys! Watch the branch.
2 cylinders of the crankcase. Steep hill ahead though.
Okay, so do not. Oh, darn it! We'll put it back.
No.
Just got the second part out. How'd it go, Terry?
It's a workout, but we got it. We improvise.
So
Thanks for
all
that. Four-wheeler was a big
I
help.
was never told that there was going to be any physical exercise carrying cast iron heavy pieces out of the woods.
The staff of life.
These are the first engine parts. We're about to send one out to the road with a Paris sled and a Honda
Anything to the front?
ATV.
Got everything around. That's that rope. Let's go right around the front.
Yep.
One over.
2, 3, up. Oh my God. Does, ladies and gentlemen, does Terry agrees to buy me a new side-by-side ATV. All right. How's it doing? Very good. All right. I think as we move along,
It's a mile back to the truck. Well, guys, what do you think?
Terry lied to me.
I think we're making progress, but there's a lot more parts here than we thought. Yeah. A
Yeah,
lot more.
and they seem to be heavier than we thought, too.
Yeah, and I think what happened is I think they scrapped this machine right on site.
Right, right.
So things like the frame rails and some of the bigger parts they took, the rest they just left.
Wow.
I mean, it's like they've dynamited it.
Yeah. The parts are everywhere.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I just can't believe everywhere you look there's there's a whole field of parts. Under trees, under rocks.
Yep. So you just keep turning up more and more parts. And
Yep.
Can you feel me now?
Finally headed back to the truck. Woohoo! The headers.
What's going on here? There.